Is your iPhone feeling a bit sluggish lately? What if I told you that you could completely clear your iPhone's RAM and boost its performance with just one press of a button? No complicated menus, no restarts, and it takes less than 60 seconds to set up. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need a lightweight tool to handle the heavy lifting. Head over to the App Store and search for an app called Device Monitor. Go ahead and download it. Once it's installed, open the app, tap on Start using Device Monitor to initialize it, and then you can go ahead and swipe up to minimize the app. We're all set here. Next, we're going to automate this using Apple's native Shortcuts app. Open up Shortcuts, and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap on the search action bar at the bottom and type in Device Monitor. From the options that pop up, select Clean RAM Memory. Just double check to make sure the toggle is turned on. Now, let's give it a clean name. Tap the drop-down arrow at the top of the screen, hit rename, and type in something simple like Clear RAM. Your shortcut is ready to go. Now for the magic touch. Linking this to your hardware, open your iPhone settings and scroll down to Action button. Tap on it. Swipe through the options until you hit Shortcut. Next, tap on the Choose a Shortcut menu. Look for the Clear RAM shortcut we just created and select it. And just like that, you are completely done. Now, whenever your phone feels bogged down while gaming or multitasking, just press and hold your action button. Boom! Your RAM is instantly cleared and your iPhone is running at peak performance. If you found this quick life hack helpful, do me a huge favor, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more seamless iOS tips and tricks just like this. Let me know in the comments if your phone feels faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.